降落，降落，降落。
Land. Descent.
Land. Descent.
飞机安全降落在机场跑道上。飞机安全降落在机场跑道上。飞机安全降落在机场跑道上。
The plane landed safely on the airport runway.
The plane landed safely on the airport runway.
跳伞员从空中降落。跳伞员从空中降落。跳伞员从空中降落。
Skydivers descend from the sky.
Skydivers descend from the sky.
雪花从天上降落下来，美丽极了。雪花从天上降落下来，美丽极了。雪花从天上降落下来，美丽极了。
Snowflakes fall from the sky, so beautiful.
Snowflakes fall from the sky, so beautiful.
火，火，火。
Popular.
Popular.
他的生意越来越红火。他的生意越来越红火。他的生意越来越红火。
His business is becoming more and more popular.
His business is becoming more and more popular.
这个产品一推出就火了。这个产品一推出就火了。这个产品一推出就火了。
This product became popular as soon as it was launched.
This product became popular as soon as it was launched.
这些商品竟然这么火。这些商品竟然这么火。这些商品竟然这么火。
These products are so popular.
These products are so popular.
作者，作者，作者。
Author.
Author.
这篇文章的作者非常有名。这篇文章的作者非常有名。这篇文章的作者非常有名。
The author of this article is very famous.
The author of this article is very famous.
这本书的作者是谁？这本书的作者是谁？这本书的作者是谁？
Who is the author of this book?
Who is the author of this book?
作者的名字我不记得了。作者的名字我不记得了。作者的名字我不记得了。
I don't remember the author's name.
I don't remember the author's name.
交通，交通，交通。
Traffic.
Traffic.
最近交通好多了，堵车没有那么严重了。最近交通好多了，堵车没有那么严重了。最近交通好多了，堵车没有那么严重了。
The traffic has improved a lot recently and the traffic jams are not so serious.
The traffic has improved a lot recently and the traffic jams are not so serious.
常见的公共交通工具有公交车、地铁、高铁、轻轨等。常见的公共交通工具有公交车、地铁、高铁、轻轨等。常见的公共交通工具有公交车、地铁、高铁、轻轨等。
Common public transportation includes buses, subways, high-speed railways, light rails, etc.
Common public transportation includes buses, subways, high-speed railways, light rails, etc.
这里的环境很安静，而且交通很方便。这里的环境很安静，而且交通很方便。这里的环境 很安静，而且交通很方便。
The environment here is quiet and the transportation is convenient.
The environment here is quiet and the transportation is convenient.
技术，技术，技术。
Technology.
Technology.
我们必须积累专业知识和技术来应对巨大的挑战。我们必须积累专业知识和技术来应对巨大的挑战。我们必须积累专业知识和技术来应对巨大的挑战。
We must build up expertise and technology to meet huge challenges.
We must build up expertise and technology to meet huge challenges.
随着科学技术的发展，人们的购物习惯也发生了巨大变化。随着科学技术的发展，人们的购物习惯也发生了巨大变化。随着科学技术的发展，人们的购物习惯也发生了巨大变化。
With the development of science and technology, people's shopping habits have also changed dramatically.
With the development of science and technology, people's shopping habits have also changed dramatically.
互联网技术的快速发展改变了人们的生活方式。互联网技术的快速发展改变了人们的生活方式。互联网技术的快速发展改变了人们的生活方式。
The rapid development of Internet technology has changed people's lifestyles.
The rapid development of Internet technology has changed people's lifestyles.
是否？是否？是否？
If. Whether.
If. Whether.
我不知道他是否喜欢这份工作。我不知道他是否喜欢这份工作。我不知道他是否喜欢这份工作。
I don't know if he likes this job.
I don't know if he likes this job.
这里很吵，你是否考虑换一个环境？这里很吵，你是否考虑换一个环境？这里很吵，你是否考虑换一个环境？
It's very noisy here. Would you consider changing the environment?
It's very noisy here. Would you consider changing the environment?
你对这个房子是否觉得满意？你对这个房子是否觉得满意？你对这个房子是否觉得满意？
Are you satisfied with this house?
Are you satisfied with this house?
谢谢观看。